I mean, come on. Our next guest has been cooking delicious Italian food since she's 10, and she feels it's her duty to teach you how to make, dare I say, good Italian food. Not just Italian food.
Great
Italian food. And she's here.
Wonderful. Thank you for having me. I'm so blessed
I
to
haven't
be
even
here.
introduced you yet. Hold on. Her new book is called Antoinette's Authentic Italian Cookbook, a collection of authentic Italian dishes for every occasion. Please welcome Antoinette Gangi.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm so thrilled to be here. It's such a privilege.
Oh my gosh, it's fun
I'm
for
so
us.
happy to share all of this with all of you.
It looks delicious.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much. It's been my pleasure. I've been cooking, like you said, since I'm 10 years old, from my heart. And now, with my cookbook, I have my beautiful Italian authentic cookbook, which I'm premiering the first time today on TV. I'm so excited. It's my dream come true.
Congrats.
The recipes in there are so simple to read, simple ingredients, simple recipes. Let's face it, Grandma came from Naples a long time ago, and there wasn't all these fancy ingredients. And this book is so easy to read for everyone, and it's available on Amazon.
Fantastic.
You can get it on Amazon.
Okay.
Yeah, and I do have 4 e-cookbooks on Antoinette'sItalianKitchen.com.
You've got everything everywhere.
I've got all bases covered, but the most
Fantastic.
important thing today is my summer recipes that I've prepared. I'm so excited.
Look at this spread.
Yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous. Tell us what you've brought.
Appetizers are a very big thing for me, and I do all kinds. I have what I call my bruschetta trio appetizers. This is my little bruschettas, and they are so delicious. I made a pasta al limone, and the lemons to me symbolize summer.
Yes.
Lemons are light. This is with asparagus. And then I've got my pasta alla cieca. I was able to get the little San Marzano fresh tomatoes with mozzarella and rotini and fresh basil. So delicious. And then, of course, my shrimp with the broccoli, with the butter sauce, butter and cream. You can serve that over pasta with rice. It's very versatile. But what I want to do with you girls today is the tortellini salad.
Okay, well, let's get
started. Let's get started.
Antoinette, why don't you come in the middle? Kansas,
yes,
can we
yes,
put you to work?
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Let's
you
do
can
it.
start cutting. You can start pouring. What we're going to do is we're going to put some onions. You can actually do half into here.
The whole thing?
Yeah. And the olives. I'm
wanna
going to
put
do
this whole
about
thing?
half. About
Yum.
half.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. And you can just cut. And we've got some nice fresh herbs. In here goes onions of red onions, white onions, green scallion onions. It's in my recipe.
This pasta is tortellini.
Tortellini
What are the
tricolor.
guts of the tortellini?
Tortellini, this one is cheese. You can get meat, but I like the cheese for the summer. This particular recipe is in my cookbook.
What else are we putting in here?
This recipe is in my cookbook. We're going to put
we're going to put some
mozzarella.
Mozzarella?
Sorry. Here we have.
In here?
Yep, mozzarella. You can put that in.
Okay.
Olives, artichoke.
How often do you serve this? How many times have you made this?
So many times. Oh my God, in my lifetime. You know, cooking to me is so important because what it does is it brings families together.
Yeah.
Food is not just tasting good, but it feels good.
Candace,
It's
do you
love.
cook at home?
I do.
Yeah? What are some things you like to cook?
Well,
as
I
you
do make
are
a
eating.
shrimp and pasta dish. I know. I'm eating the salami.
No, this is delicious.
You do a shrimp and pasta.
My grandmother was Italian.
See?
So I
kidding.
grew up with
This is
pasta and salami, pepperoni.
This is
All
what
of
it's
that.
all about. It's about the
love it.
memories of our grandma, tradition, family food tradition, bringing families together. But
What else am I putting in here?
You can put the meats in here. Candace
Okay.
has been cutting some
Wonderful.
meats. We have the dressing.
Oh.
And we'll put the herbs at the end.
Is it possible to make this without the meats? Not that I would, because I love cured meat.
No,
However,
you can make it without the meats. You can you can actually put shrimp in there. You can put
this would be
nothing in there.
Shrimp
With
would be
just
delicious.
the herbs and the olives and the artichoke hearts
Holy
and the
moly.
tomatoes. Okay, so
this is a workout.
yeah. Oh yeah.
These tortellini
Yeah.
mean business.
Let me help you. I'll put some
And this is very easy to
olives. It's very
prepare.
pretty.
And
It's
it's
easy to prepare.
and it's
We can
cool.
It's cool.
room temperature, right?
Yep, we can put the
Wonderful.
tomatoes in. Whoops.
There's
there
a
we
rogue
go.
tomato. It's okay.
They're
I like
alive. But this is, this is what food is about. It brings people together to the table.
Yeah.
Family traditions, conversation, spreads the love and joy.
Yes.
Food doesn't only feel good, taste good, but it brings families together, and that's what we're
couldn't
here
agree
for.
more.
We're here to bring everyone together.
Thank you.
Oh,
Tell
yes.
folks at home where they can get a copy of your book.
My book is available on Amazon. Like I said, it's the first time I'm introducing it today live on TV. I'm so honored and
Breaking news.
privileged. And we
Unbelievable.
have 4 e-cookbooks on Antoinette'sItalianKitchen.com.
Perfect.
Wonderful.
Well, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
And you did a great salad, girls.
I
You
mean,
really
we
did
did the-
great.
we did
And
the
this
thing.
is so delicious.
And now we have
Everything.
lunch
Yes.
for us and the whole and the
You
whole
have lunch
crew.
for the whole staff, and everything here is cooked with love.
And you brought your entire
Beautiful.
family.
My family is here. I have the
I
most supportive,
know.
amazing family.
I love it.
I am so blessed, and that's why we have our family traditions we carry every Sunday. And
What
that's
what time
food
is Sunday
does.
dinner?
4 o'clock.
We'll be there.
Every Sunday. And it's a feast.
Oh,
but
my
it's
God.
filled, my table I call is the circle of love.
Thank
and
you.
It's filled with love.
Thank you so
Oh,
much.
Thank you for
wonderful.
You
having
made
me.
today part of a fantastic show. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
For all